the top 6 revelations from the Google document leak. Now that some time has passed by, we analyze data from a ton of clients, so you don't have to in order to see which of the many secrets unveiled by Google's search engine document leak are most pertinent right now. Number 1. User clicks are a major ranking factor, and there's a few different kinds of clicks. There's good clicks, clicks that represent a positive user interaction, and there's bad clicks. They're the opposite. The third and final type of click is the last longest click, measures the duration of time spent on a page from a search result. Next, number 2, site authority is real. Also known as domain authority or domain ranking, the document leaks showed that Google does calculate site authority for domains. The leak did not reveal the exact site authority calculations though, which I think is more the entire algorithm, right? Number 3, optimize for user behavior. Google watches everything a user does. Use Hotjar or Crazy Egg to watch user behavior yourself. Only then can you truly optimize for the perfect user journey. Number 4, stop buying 1 million domains for keyword purposes. That doesn't work anymore. I can't tell you how many clients still ask us if they should buy thousands of domains just because of the keyword attraction. Number 5, external backlinks still matter more than ever, and they're tied to keeping your content fresh. So keep trying to find new external link opportunities and publish new content while fine-tuning your old evergreen stuff as well. Finally, number 6, organic social matters more than it ever has. I had a client tell me today that they've been hearing this one for over 10 years now. Well, the document leak highlighted the importance of social proof, often used to build credibility and trust. These are the top 6 takeaways so far after the major Google document leak. For information on how to optimize for each of these items, click the link in the description to go to our full guide on optimizing for Google's search engine document leak.